pull down the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's.
Oh no, the fire alarm went off.
Have I do that? I have bad news about pulling down the fire alarm switch.
Oh yeah, I knew it. Did you say pulling down the fire alarm switch?
Well, though if I did, I pulled down the fire alarm switch. Oh, now the fire alarm is now silent, and the fireman is resetting the fire alarm. And now I can sit here until the system is normal. Now the police officers and henchmen got kicked out because the fire alarm was going off, and now they got kicked out. Oh, now the fire alarm has stopped. Now it's normal right now.
Yo, Junior, how dare you pull the fire alarm at Chuck E. Cheese's? You know pulling down the fire alarm switch is not allowed to do that at all. That's it. Go home right now.
Junior, we can't believe that you go to Chuck E. Cheese's for pulling down the fire alarm switch. Why would you do that?
Well, I go to Chuck E. Cheese's, and I pulled down the fire alarm switch. I thought it was a prank. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad.
It was not a funny prank. When the fire alarms go off, we have to take them seriously. Your apology is unacceptable. You are grounded for a month. Go to your room right now, Junior, and think about what you just did to Chuck E. Cheese in the fire department.